Hello everyone, my friends. Today, I'm not only going to show you how to make fruity novelas and earn money, but I'm also going to teach you something else. An excellent platform that is an all-in-one solution. You can edit the videos there, upload them from there, generate the content itself, everything related to visuals. We're going to use engines like NanoBanana, Pro, Seedance 2.0, and all from a single platform. Let's get started. Alright, to be able to create and produce this specific type of video and many more, we're using the latest version of Filmora 15, which is developed by Wondershare. By the way, you'll find all of this information and much more down below in the description box. So now what do you think if we download the Filmora app right now and I show you exactly how the entire interface works? I'll show you how to use it and how you can start making money by creating shorts or any type of content completely easily. It's really simple. You'll see that there's absolutely no way to get lost. And so, what is Filmora? Right now, we're in its app, which is incredibly user-friendly and intuitive to use because what often happens to many people who are just beginning their journey as creators on the YouTube platform and would like to start earning some extra income by creating content. They often face a very fundamental challenge. And that's that even if you have a good prompt and can even create images with NanoBanana Pro or even use Seedance engines, in many situations, you have to edit your work. Add more text, add more video, and so on. I'm here to show you the place where you can run everything yourself directly. Whether you have images or videos, you can edit them professionally, export them, and upload them to your channels in a way that is both incredibly easy and remarkably simple. There are some really cool effects we could use with artificial intelligence, but today we're here to do something much more interesting. And here's what's next. We have an endless number of things here, so don't get overwhelmed. Thank you. Today we'll focus on the multimedia section and above all on video generation. We'll also be able to do text to video generation, as well as extending existing video clips and turning images into video. To accomplish this, what we are going to use is a detailed prompt. A prompt to do two things. First, to properly define a character, and second, to carefully embed that character in a narrative we're going to tell Ares, along with incidents. 2.0 is going to do this for us. And all of this is thanks to Filmora within the application. So I'm going to show you how to generate a video like this or many others in just a few very simple steps. And for that, we'll write a prompt. In this case, to generate a prompt by a NanoBanana Pro, which is especially interesting. 3D animation, Pixar style, just like movies identical to Toy Story, pins it out, etc. There are so many, that also have a humanoid body and so on. In this case, we would have everything that makes up the scene, the visual style, and we would have the two characters we need. The banana should be the tallest, a fun male character, and the strawberry should be a charismatic and adorable female. So once we have our prompt generated, we could create this image. In this case, we would select NanoBanana 2. And once we have it, we could set the format in which we want it or choose the aspect ratio if we want it in a certain mode. Elongated YouTube, short mode, okay. In this case, we're going to add it in short mode and have it generate this image of our first character, which is a charismatic strawberry. Previously, I had created this strawberry, but I wasn't convinced because it didn't have a humanoid body. It just didn't convince me, and even this banana didn't really convince me either. So I decided to improve it with the prompt I showed you earlier, which if you want it, I'll share it with you down below in the description so you can generate something much more fun with a humanoid body like the ones you're seeing, right? It also has a much more unique and distinctive visual style, which is quite similar to the iconic Pixar animation style. And then we would do the exact same thing with the banana character. Just a quick reminder that you can download it completely free of charge, both for Mac and also for Windows. So there's absolutely no problem with that. And now, once we have both characters, we would move on to video generation. In this case, we would select Seedance 2.0, the engine that's all the rage right now. And you see that in the end, we have everything inside Filmora. So, perfect. We never have to leave the application. And we would select both characters. In this case, we have the little strawberry and the banana, who are the two characters in our story. And now we would need to generate the prompt for the entire story, for the sequences that need to be made in this case. I'm going to do a simple one just so you can see it. But you could extend it to 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or place it in other scenes and from other angles. Well, I won't take any longer. Here we are, we have both characters and what would be our animation, our prompt for what we want to happen. Now we decide the resolution and the duration, and then we would click generate. So once we have the video, you'll see how easy and fun it is to work with it. In this case, we are going to contain the media depending on where you want to upload it, and we would have it here. Our sequence is ready, and it's very easy because we can edit whatever we need. Don't worry at all. Let's see the result. What do you think if we go for it? The banana finds out, huh? Brutinuela. It's nice, isn't it? Well, I've done the following. In this story, we've made a video extension, which means it doesn't end so melodramatically, because otherwise we're all going to start crying. So I actually took the liberty of making it quite a bit longer, just so I could add this extra scene right here. By the way, you'll always be able to re-edit whatever you see, for example, here. I want it to start right here, okay? So I cut this vortex. See? How easy, simple. I've already cut out that little bit I wasn't interested in. So now let's take a look at the whole scene. And actually, now that I think about it, let's just turn the volume up a little bit. The volume so it matches the other video as well. And now we have, yes indeed, the final version. What do you think if we watch it in full screen, like it's a production movie? Let's do it, everyone. We've used Filmora, Seedance 2.0, the Prom, and ChatGPT. Now let's try. It looks really good, doesn't it? And here comes part 2. What I added to it. I know they love each other. I know they believe in each other. They love each other. Spectacular. Bravo. No. Spectacular. Excellent. I love it. And in the end, I made the story have a bit of a happy ending because I'm tired of seeing everyone's fruit soap operas always end badly. I don't know, they're always very sad. And as you can see, they always get a ton of views, especially on very small channels. And may the next video that pops up here be yours about something really interesting that you have. And the thing is, for marketing, you could make yourself some spectacular logos. And on top of that, you'd also have a VGC model. You could achieve maximum realism if you had a store or needed an avatar or a SIP. And believe me when I say it has a vast array of features, well, I'll leave it within your reach right down here in the description because it's an all-in-one. And you'll truly understand once you download the app and start trying it out for yourselves. So if you want the exact prompt that I use, for example, to get that specific 3D Pixar look, especially because of how the lighting looks and the specific character details so that they have that perfect consistency, that brightness and so on, well, you will find absolutely everything right here in a pinned comment along with the direct download link. I'm going to share the prompt with you so that you can add the character however you want. If you want it taller, shorter, more feminine, more masculine. With a different type of clothing, I'll simply give you the prompt, which is the Pixar 3D visual style that's been defining your creations as I showed you in the video. And without further delay, I'll see you in the next video. I'm Dota, bye bye.